Most students make one simple mistake with polynomials. But after this lesson, you'll simplify expressions faster and with confidence. So adding and subtracting polynomials. So now if we look at the 3x, x here is called the variable, and 3 is called the coefficient. And also -5 is the coefficient and y is the variable. Here we have 4 terms in the equation because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 3x minus 5y minus x plus 2y. So that's 4 terms. When we're adding and subtracting monomials, what we have to look for like terms. What are like terms? Any term here that has an x in it, this and this, we call them like terms. So what we do, we just underline them the same way. So we put a solid line here, solid straight line under this. But this has a y and a y, so these here are like terms. It's like saying 3 oranges minus 1 orange, and this is, let's say, 5 bananas, or minus 5 bananas adding 2 bananas. So this is basically how we identify like terms. So anything with an x, these are called like terms. Anything with a y, these are called like terms. Which means I could add the 3x and the negative x here. So I could go 3x minus 1x. So you go 3x, jump over, don't look at the sign, look at the sign here. 3x, jump over minus x, that will give me 2x. 3x minus 1x will give me 2x. And then these are like terms that way. So I go -5, jump over here, -5 plus 2, that gives me -3y. And this is the answer for this one. So just make sure you're solid with your integers. You don't want to be making mistakes with your integers here, adding and subtracting integers. Now, how about this one here? So again, we got to look for like terms. So anything that has an m, I'm going to put a solid line underneath it. And I have the other thing that has n. So this, I'm going to put a wiggly line underneath it. So just to identify them as like terms. So I have 19m, jump over here, plus 11m, that gives me 30m. And then I have -4n minus 17n, that's -21n plus 9n, that gives me -12n. Now we go here. Now in this one here, you notice this m has a square on top of it, and this m doesn't. So these wouldn't be like terms because they are not the same degree. This is a degree 2, this is a degree 1. Therefore, the like terms here will be this and this. And then the m's here and the m's here, because that's 6m and that's 13m. And then this is the constant, so it doesn't have any variables, and there's a 2 that doesn't have any variables. These will call them like terms as well. So I just put a kind of hat and flipped hat underneath. So now I go -8m squared, jump over here because these are like terms right here. So -8m squared plus 3m, that will give me -5m squared. And now 6m minus 13m, that will give me -7m. And then I have the -9, jump over, -9 plus 2 is -7. I think some students sometimes get confused. They go -9 and they look at the sign here minus, they think it's -2. No, you don't. This sign belongs to the 13m. So because these are like terms, I go -9m, jump to there, and then plus 2. -9 plus 2, and that gives me -7. How about here? So here, as you notice, this has AB in it. So AB, anything else has AB here? Yes, this one here. Anything else? No. Now I look at the other thing. This here has AC in it. So I'm going to put a wiggly line. Anything that has AC in here? Yes, this has AC. So I'm going to put a wiggly line. And then we're going to put the hand on top of this and on top of this because both of them are BC. All right. So now I go 4AB plus, because this is the like term with it, 4AB plus 6AB, that gives me 10AB. And then I go negative 7 AC, and this is the wiggly line here. So negative 7 AC, jump over, and then minus 3 AC, that will give me minus 10 AC. And then the hat here is negative 5 BC, jump over here, negative 5 BC, jump over here, minus 1 BC, that gives me negative 6 BC. And that's how we add and subtract monomials. You're officially getting stronger with polynomials. In the next lesson, we'll take adding and subtracting polynomials to the next level with more examples and deeper practice. Don't miss it.